It's the size of more than 300 football fields and set to be the site of Canada's newest electric vehicle battery plant.
This facility will be able to produce batteries for 1 million electric vehicles a year. And at full production capacity, the plant will contribute up to $1.6 billion to our economy.
It took major investments from the federal and Quebec governments, $2.7 billion combined, and there could be billions more in incentives once production begins.
What is important is that we're building an industry.
The deal with Swedish company Northvolt is the latest in a string of government investments in the EV industry, including a Volkswagen battery plant in St. Thomas, Ontario. Canada has to compete with other jurisdictions, particularly the U.S., as it also offers big incentives to lure companies there.
The EU and the U.S. And other economies like China are moving forward with strong industrial policy on electric vehicles.
You just have to put your hand deep in your pocket and take out a big whack of cash to get the thing off the ground.
Northvolt says it chose Quebec for its hydroelectricity, natural resources, and pool of talent, but the government money helped too.
Canada put itself on a level playing field with what United States has been doing. So it is extremely important.
This is the site of the new plant, which the government say will create 3,000 jobs. But there is some skepticism and opposition around the project too. Resident Francois Cousineau launched a petition. He says the plant has no place here close to residences and a daycare. Some say it's a lot of taxpayers' money and the economic spin-offs aren't guaranteed.
I don't believe it will reap the benefits commensurate with what they have determined.
That will take time to find out. Northvolt's plant is set to start operating in 2026. Alison Northcott, CBC News, McMasterville, Quebec.